We are moving really fast here.
Oh, yeah.
We come to taking of the oath of office.
About 4.
Now, before I begin that, I want to thank Mr. Moses Osawe for his contribution to this association for the last 2 years. Regardless of what happened, we should thank him and be grateful to him for his contribution. You know, it's not easy to be president. And once you have that seat, I know how hard it is. So we make our mistakes, we learn from our mistakes, and we move forward, we move ahead. So he has done well for us, and we thank him. We appreciate you, Mr. Moses Osawe, for all your contributions.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now, we will now call on Dr. Enabai to administer the oath of office. He was the only member of the committee that was away, so I reserved this for him.
A chairman, let's do it right. We understand the Nagbari, but you are the chairman. The Nagbari cannot supersede you as the chairman.
I support my
Okay, where is the Bible? We have the Bible on this place.
No, not in my level. You are in where? There's a lot of this in the Magmel. Can you have
house?
We're going to be many years. We're changing the Baba. I'm not a Bonniano.
I wanted Dr. Enabai to perform this function because he was the only one that wasn't there during the last.
When the chairman has the power to mandate anybody to do. Yeah, well, that's if you so insist. No, why not?
let it go ahead.
Let Dr. Enabai continue there.
No, I will read. You have a supersede the Chief Justice here. But I will say,
can delegate though.
no, it's never done. Don't have to do that one.
Keep it simple.
One more than I tell you what I said.
Go to the center.
I want the new president, Mr. President designate, Mr. Osasowa Iyamo, to know on your shoulder. It's not easy to lead men of this caliber, people. So it's a serious matter. It's a serious matter, you know, it's not a joke. You know, you are assuming some heavy burden here. When Moses was there, he was your cover. But now Moses is out of the way, you are the new president of this association. Now, let's start. I, Osasowa Iyamo, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of the president of Benin Association of Northern California. I will, to the best of my ability, to preserve, to protect, and defend the Constitution of Benin Association of Northern California. So help me God. Now, Congratulations to him.
Congratulations before you give your speech. Congratulations. Amazing. Elected by the people.
For the people.
We will now call on the new president to give us an inauguration speech.
Thank you all. Thank you, thank you.
Be comfortable.
It doesn't matter. Just pulling your leg.
Chairman, Electoral Committee, Mr. Isoken Omokaro, thank you very much for conducting this great election. To Ojanwere of Northern California, I extend my thanks to you for your outstanding service to the association, to the past president, Dr. Nagbaren. Thank you for reviving the association from falling. To the president or former president of Benin Association, Mr. Moses Awe, thank you for your outstanding service. And my fellow Edo people, thank you all.
Your executive.
And my executives. I'm well pleased.
Now I get you.
I'm well pleased to offer my thanks to the entire Benin Association of Northern California for a peaceful election. From the bottom of my heart, I'm proud and honored to be the president of Benin Association of Northern California for the year 2001 through 2011 to 2012. However, I'm humbled by the task facing us now and in future. I understand they won't be that easy, but with our collective efforts, I'm confident that we shall overcome them day by day, month by month, till we succeed. The success of our association is not only founded in the devotion of members to serving our people, but also the common ideas we all share to strengthen our heritage and create social and cultural atmosphere for our families and friends. I stand in front of you all today to let you know my administration will strongly support these values, and we will provide interesting and relevant programs that will help to unite our people compassionately and also help to energize entrepreneurship spirit among our business-oriented members. My administration will be seen as the beacon of hope to our people here at home and abroad. The time has come to set aside childish things. I'm committed to the hallmark of gracefully contributing in cash and in kind to improve our relationship with our association in California and beyond. Though the economic situation of our association is diminished, and I'm confident to articulate by the year 2025, Benin Association of Northern California will be the backbone of Edo States. If we speak on one voice and put in hard work and sacrifice.
Beautiful.
The talent and wisdom of our people to resolving problems should not be underrated. Dedication and commitment I'm bringing to the office of the president will help to resolve some internal and local problems that we are facing now and in future. As you know, I cannot do this alone. I need the support of all my members to help me to accomplish these great things as we move forward. Great things is not given, but must be earned. My complementary effort will contribute to promoting unity among members, family, and friends to create great community accomplishments in future.